Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another Chart Nerd TA video. Today I'm diving into an altcoin. This altcoin is GALA against USDT. So diving into GALA here on the daily, you can see that I think it's potentially going through some sort of A, B, C correction here. A lot of alts are showing this as well, and potentially it may come down and retest these lows here for a foundational rollover of support, and come down and continue at those levels and then get a major bounce. But I do believe in the short term, looking at GALA here, I think we may find some support and have some sort of relief rally, because potentially what you can see is where GALA's actually come down to, okay, and found support is on these local highs here, previous highs, sorry, here back in October 2021. So you can see it came up here, resistance, it coiled up, broke out, and has now rolled back down to that area for support. Okay, so it's what it does here that's very interesting, and potentially what will give away whether we're going to come down and test these lower lows down here for GALA. Again, this is on the daily. If I go to the weekly, yeah, on the weekly, you can see that you fell to this little cluster here of support, of previous resistance, and you've turned that into support now, okay, and you're getting quite strong buying pressure coming in now, because that was quite a nasty capitulation. You can see within the last month, the GALA is actually, it corrected 60%, so what an opportunity. I do believe that these sort of crashes offer opportunity, and looking at this chart here as well, it also gives away that you can see this A, B, C correction, and potentially within that massive ABC. Let's have a look. I don't know, not for certain for sure, but 1, 2, 3, potentially here your 4, and then that might be your 5, and that could be your ABC over with. You could see it potentially here, because that would be your A, your B, your C, right down to testing these lows, and then that's where you see the mega bounces come back in. I do believe that, as I said, these areas offer great opportunity to get involved. Not financial advice. You wanna buy when you're down here in the floor. If the chart was going up and you're looking at it in this case and the price action was going upwards, this is inverted, then you'd think, shit, I need to sell at this area. We're getting a bit overextended to the upside. But that's inverted. If we look at it here now, back to the normal chart, you can see that these areas do offer golden opportunity. Not financial advice, but bear in mind, GALA has appreciated since its inception. It's appreciated. Last year, it went up for nearly 4,000%. So a correction was due. But yeah, getting back into the daily time frame then. Okay, so let's look into this a bit more. So right now we can see, again, as I've said, we've landed on this area of support here. Okay, these highs right here. Okay, and God has found support around this sort of area. So zooming in, where could we be retracing to now? And actually, let me just clear this a little bit. Sorry if it's getting a bit blurry, guys. I'm going to bring the RSI in as well and look at this for a second. But yeah, let's look at the RSI actually. Okay, so you can see when the RSI is, for example, down here in the floor, when you look at the price action, when it's in the floor there, that would have been a great buying opportunity, because you had a rally up 150%. Okay, now you can see here, if we look at the RSI where we are currently, we are in the floor. Okay, so are we going to have another impulsive move very similar to this lower high? Because there's a high, this is a lower high. Okay, that indicated depleting buying pressure, which kind of would have foreseen this event here, but I didn't see it coming, to be fair. I never saw none of it coming, Bitcoin and the rest of the market. But anyways, so you had a high up here, you created a lower high with this 150% impulse, and now you've created a lower low than this one. Okay, so that's not very good structure. Okay, but it's corrective. It's corrective structure. It's not bear market. It's not literally you've just gone boof and crashed down, and lost 70%. Okay, it has lost a lot over time. I'm not saying that, but it is in a bearish trend. But I do believe potentially now what you could do is see yourself come back and test these EMAs as they're coming down, because you are quite overextended from these EMAs. And whenever you do drag down from the EMAs and get overextended, you tend to at least come back up and have a rally into them. And that is where potentially, as I've mentioned here, you've got wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this could be your wave 5. Was it something like that? No, did I say that wrong? Sorry, let me have a look at that again. I think I explained that quite wrong. If we look on the weekly, it should be a bit clearer again. Sorry, the whole thing's not even on my fucking screen. Forgive my language. So yeah, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This will be a reef rally back up into the EMAs, wave 4, and then your wave 5 back down to this area. Yeah, sorry, I've just kind of repeated myself in the video there, but that is potentially a play that I'm looking for here. So a relief bounce right now, potentially from this low, it could go up, if we come back up into the EMAs and run into resistance up here, or come back up to this resistance here, then that's a 60 to 70% opportunity, you know. And as I mentioned, the RSI on the daily is in the floor, and these offer good entry points to get involved. So yeah, guys, that's a quick update on GALA. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for the poor quality again. I will try and solve my technical issues over the coming week, and hopefully get back to normal YouTube videos. But until then, guys, take care. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.